February 8th. Hope all is well. Today is Thursday, so it's Friday Eve. I'm not sure when you guys are going to see this, but it is in fact February 8th of 2024. I think this may be my first video of the year. Sorry about that. But I have come to you guys with yet another unboxing. Y'all know I told y'all I was steadfast. I was serious about what I wanted. I manifested. I claimed it. I looked at it. And I finally went to the Louis Vuitton store at Lenox Mall. Took a chance. Because if you know anything about Atlanta and Lenox, child, it's a little risque, okay? I'm talking about I was pumping to the car like, honey, I don't know who out here. Let me just get to the car. I ain't even really want to walk around the mall with the bag, you know? If you know, you know, okay? But nonetheless, I want to go ahead and get started. So I did, since I went to the store, I did ask for a bag. I was going to purchase online. However, I was like, honey, if I'm purchasing something for a certain amount of dollar, I want it right then. I don't want to wait till tomorrow. Even if I had did an in-store pickup, it wouldn't have been to the next day. So I was just like, I will come in and get it. So I did not take any shots of the box with it being in the bow. So I'm gonna take a couple of those real quick and just chat. But yes, I'm gonna set my phone. But I hope all is well with you girlies. You know, I have been eyeing a Louis Vuitton bag for quite a while. Let's see. I've been eyeing the bag for quite a while. It's not showing me the picture here on the watch, unfortunately.
What do you want to search for?
I don't want you to search for anything. Stop it. Okay. So yeah, go back to the camera, girl. I hope these look okay, because I am ready to open this box. No, they don't. I'm glad I look, girl. I had them facing the selfie side, so it's not even taking a picture at all. That's why I can't show nothing. Okay. I love these when people get the thumbnail in the video. I love them. I love them. I love them. Let's see. All right. One more. All right. Let's see if I like them. I know I should have did this first, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay. Cute enough, period. You know, some are looking a little big, but it's all good. So, of course, the box with the bow. So cute. I always want to put it back, and I never can put it exactly how. So, that's why it's important for me to take a little picture prior to me opening it. So, alright. I'm going to take the ribbon off. Just a little bit. You know. That's the big box. Has the paper. The Louis Vuitton. Opening very gently. Okay, you know what? Anywho, that's just on top anyway. So we are just going to put this box back here. So obviously the dust bag, the Louis Vuitton dust bag, I am just gonna pull her out. She's so pretty. She's so gorgeous. So we got the Graceful in the MM size, okay? So I went with the MM because I actually didn't even look at the PM in person. I'm one of them people, I'm so obsessive, right? So I had already looked, sorry, I had to wipe my nose real quick. Looked at all of the reviews and I was just like, you know what? I'm giving MM girl. So that's the size that I went with. It is gorgeous. It is in the Demier Ebene print, which is what I started my collection with my small leather goods, my SLGs. So I had to go with a larger bag so that I can put all my SLGs finally in the matching purse. So I'm super duper excited. It smells good. She was like, when I came in, as I worked with a Russian lady, and I saw her. Everybody spoke. It was nice, and like I've always been incredibly self-conscious and going to like the super luxury high-end stores in the mall in Lenox and Phipps, because I don't know why I thought like maybe you had to show your credit score at the door. Sorry situation, but going to the Louis Vuitton store in Vegas kind of like subside, like really just put away all of my worries and nervousness about going into the store. It's just a store, yeah. So but yes, so she was like, I don't know if we have any because we're gonna discontinue it almost or coming soon. So I was like, aw. So, but luckily she checked and she went back to the back and she brought it out. I spent maybe 5 minutes with it before I was like, yep, bag her up. Wrap it up, rapido. I already know what I want. It comes in this beautiful cherry red interior. Where's the she did put samples in here too. I wonder which one she put in here. So yes, it's gorgeous, it's big, it's hobo, so I'm gonna be able to use it for work. I'm looking for an everyday workhorse, I'm not gonna lie. She did advise me that a lot of the canvas bags are better for not everyday use, but girlfriend, I'm gonna use this every day for quite a while, okay? Until I get something else. I foresee myself getting something different in the summer, maybe a demier azure. I don't know. We'll see. But I definitely love this bag. I have been eyeing it now for almost a year. It does have this magnetic center clip here. So it kind of closes a little bit, but once you stuff I haven't even seen it with items inside it. I am going to get a bag organizer just because I love a structure bag. I love a hobo. I know they call it boho now. I love a hobo / I love them both, right? But I feel like if we're going to go hobo with a little bit of class, so I don't want it to sag, so I'm just gonna put a organizer in it just so that I can keep the integrity of the bag. I know sometimes a lot of people have an issue with the underbelly of the bag kind of like lumping up, or I guess creasing. Yeah, that would be the best word for it. I'm not, like I said, I'm going to use this bag. I'm going to baby in the sense of I'm going to take care of it because the things that you have, if you want more, you take care of them. But I'm going to use it, okay? So it comes with this strap here. This is, I'm not sure if this is the vachetta. Is this the vachetta leather? Well, I don't know, but they said that this one is the stiffer one, so that's why it kind of can start creasing eventually. This does have a Louis Vuitton logo there. This bag in particular was made and crafted in Paris. So I know they have some bags where they're made in America. That would kind of be like, ugh. But yes, guys, I'm super duper excited. She said I could get the tag hot stamped. I asked her, could I get a heart? And she said, no, just initials. And so I was like, I've seen people with a heart. And I kind of want to refrain from putting like too many self-identifying things on my handbags. I don't know why. What would I put, a B? I could put a B. But then I'm like, okay, well, can I put the B, like the actual B, the B? So extra, child. But this is the bag, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna lie, like, when you want something really, really bad, something tangible, something materialistic, when you really want it really bad and you get it and you pay for it, it's so melodramatic because in your head, like, you like, when I get this, ooh, child, nothing happened. There was no magic that happened once I paid for it. Okay, in fact, Bank of America made me call them like, hey, is this fraud? Is this fraud on the girl? No, it's not. It's me. It's me. The lady was like, I'm kind of jealous that you're in there spending. I said, well, girl, maybe my card telling me I probably shouldn't. But I'm super duper excited about this bag, you guys. It does not have feet on it. I did not list the measurements. You know, this is just a kind of impromptu. I want to go ahead and unbox it so I can stuff it so I can use it, girl. Okay, as soon as I pick up my baby today from school. What? So, you know, I said that I wanted to make sure that when I got my $2,000 bag, I had the $2,000 plus some inside, you know. So we wanted to, you know, be a boss ass bitch, you know. So we went in and just was kind of like, yeah, bag her up. I know what I want. No questions asked. You don't have to ask me. I'm going to tell you. But I'm super duper excited, guys. It's beautiful. I am going to... that's a couple of other smaller goods that I have my eye on that I want to add to my collection to put in here. But I honestly feel like once I get those few things, I'm going to rock her for a while. And then I'm going to move on to another fashion house. So I did a review. Well, I didn't do a review. I did an unboxing for this when I got it in Vegas last September. Howbesoever, okay, I went back and looked at that video and the girl's stomach was sitting on full. It was front and center, y'all. I couldn't do myself like that. I was like, I got to delete this and we'll re-record it at another time. But I'm so excited because actually the time that I recorded, I did not have my inserts because they had to be mailed to me. So now I have, not the new bag. So now I have the Louis Vuitton inserts and it's now 2024 so that I can use them. So I'm going to, be on the lookout for a review for this for my agenda. I'm going to add some, some things here so I can make it more. I feel like I get use out of it, but I want more usage out of it. So, but I am going to put it down in the Graceful. Let's see, it fits. And also I did have my computer to make sure that fit. I also have my wallet right here. I believe this is the Clemens wallet with the ballerine pink interior. And so that's what she was like, oh, I think we have a red interior. But girl, listen, today, this is going to have to work, okay? I've had this for a year, almost 2 years now. Used it every day since I purchased. Or it was a gift from my boss. I apologize. Every single day since I've received the gift, I have in fact used it. So I'm going to put that there. Dang, it's one other thing. Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. One thing. Oh! I have my key holder here that like I said, when I first got it, I likely will keep my accurate key holder out. Sorry, I had an email come through. So I am going to use this absolutely every single day as well. Some of the glaze, I'll do a review. But it fits everything. I just kind of don't, it's fine. It's fine. I just was nervous about the flaps. Literally everything fits though. So I'm going to place that in here. Ooh, that did give it some girth, child. That did give it some heftiness. All right, so let's see if this flap closes, if it stays closed. Let's fix that in there. That's the agenda. That's why I have to get an organizer, but it's just falling out. But that's what it is. Super cute. Pull up my pants. Super cute, you guys. I love it. I'm gonna be pumping through the city, okay? Oh, we talked about adding a strap to make it into a crossbody. She said, absolutely not. I will not allow you to make the Graceful into a crossbody. I think it's so cute when you add the strap. I had it in my cart yesterday when I was gonna purchase from online, and then I was like, do I really want to spend $400 on a strap? I don't know. I'm going to think about that more. I also was considering going to, oh gosh, I completely lost my train of thought. I don't know, but I'm excited. I got my first big girl bag. It's gorgeous. It's the Graceful. I love the Delightful, even though they're no longer. Oh, I was saying that I thought about going on Fashion File. And these few months that I've trying to, be a good. All right, I'm gonna take my time. Don't rush it. Don't just go, do an impulse purchase. I thought about going on Fashion File because Fashion File, it is, certified authentic. I believe mailing is pretty good, and you're also allowed to put it on layaway. But I was just like, no. Again, we're boss. And we're boss ass bitch. So we're just gonna, be humble and save up and make sure that, when we do get it, we're able to go get it fresh or hot off the press in a bag, at the store, head held high. So yes, you guys, that is my brand new bag, my bag review for the last few months. I've been carrying a really cute little tote with the strap from which has done me well. And that's the thing, I'm not gonna lie, like the Bessie Johnson is kind of small, so it kind of made me feel like, well, do I need a big bag? Absolutely yes. So we got it. We're gonna take care of it. She said no moisture, no extreme heat if I can, but this is it. I love you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will come back when I get a couple more small leather goods to go inside of here, likely in the Demier bin print, and then we're moving on to, like I said, another fashion house because I don't know though. We'll see. We'll see what the summer brings. We'll see what the summer brings. But I love you guys. We'll talk soon. Have a great one, y'all. Bye.